All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Attention MD students, Ms. Palmer's high school management class is running a food drive. We would like you to donate your non-perishable and canned food so we can donate them to the local food pantry. Collection days are from now through Friday, December 7th. A box from each grade will be set out in the commons labeled with your grade number for you to put your food in. We will keep announcing which class is ahead throughout the week. Today's leading class are the freshmen with 27 items. The class who donates the most food by Friday will get to come into Ms. Palmer's room and pick up treats. Tis the season for giving. Let's get together and help others. Thank you.
It is Austin Snyder. Claire, are you here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Claire. Landon?
Yeah.
Jordan?
Yeah.
Tate?
Yeah.
Haley?
She's here, but she's downstairs. Yeah.
Okay. Leah?
Here.
Bianca?
Here.
Matthew?
Here.
Eric?
Here.
Addison?
Here.
Okay, awesome. Yesterday, we tested our substances again, but only 8 of them. Can you tell me why? Yes, sir? Because the 8 we tested were the ones that fit. So, did you notice fizzing yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah, great. All right, so they have mostly dried. We also have Mr. Bruning's class that we can compare it to, but I'm going to lay them out on the table. Okay, there's one with some purple coloring. Hey, Haley, I just remembered you asked it. I'll change that. Why don't you come on up around the table, start checking these out. Come on, kiddo.
Oh, that looks weird. Why are all of them looks like they should look the same again. Looks like that one and that one and that one. Looks like this one must have messed up. That one did. This one messed up.
Don't touch them, please. And give me room. I gotta put them all on. Can you take that book off the table, please?
The middle. Well, look at that one. It's really.
Okay, so this is the one that I did. Okay, and so you can compare. Some of these don't look the same. Our first 3 are yellow, right? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. This one? That's a good question. Why is the 4th one yellow in that one?
Why's that one red?
Whoops. Okay, so this one's clear. Okay. Yeah, so we've got some complications on some stuff. Check out the 4th one. So we're off here. That one looks similar. What do you think happened here?
Too much.
Maybe too much powder. All right, this one's okay. What about this one? It looks like there's nothing in it. There's a few bubbles, right, but it's mostly dry. Just a little bit. Okay, check this one out. Okay. Oh, that's quite a bit. This one's a little different. That's okay. This one's got a kind of an orange tint. This one's yellow. Yeah. Okay. Check out number 6, 7, and 8. This one's not. Okay. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. I don't know what's up with that. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. For the most part, those are clear. Which one was our mystery mixture? Not 12. We didn't do 12. We only did 8. So 8. Number 8. Okay. Which one looks the most out of all of them? Like number 8. Which other well looks the most?
Number 6.
Yeah, over here. Honestly, I'm not yapping for my benefit. Go look. Actually, get closer. The question was 6, 7, and 8. Of those, which looks the most like number 8, which is our mystery mixture? Yeah? All right. Head back to your seats. Open to page 5 and 6. All right. What was number 6?
Baking soda and citric acid.
Is that what we had thought before?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Awesome possum. So there's a question at the bottom of page 6. Go ahead and answer it. Can you answer it fully using turning the question around to CQA or restating? You'll probably use substance, right? You're restating the word. How did we narrow it down to that? Can you restate?
No. Sodium bicarbonate.
No. Sodium bicarbonate. Because remember we said 6 and 8? Similar, so citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. Eric, can you restate the question, please, and answer it fully? In order to turn the question around, you would say the two substances in the mystery mixture are blank and blank, and we identified them by doing, what do we do? So don't forget the first part of the question because you're going to miss the answer. The two substances in the mystery mixture are, you don't have to erase it, but don't forget about that question. That's what it's asking you for. You're explaining how you identified them. It's asking how you know. What did we do? Done. Now ask yourself, do you have 3 things that we looked at in order to prove? Do you have 3 things that we did in order to prove it? Because we actually did a lot of stuff. We have 3 things that we did in order to prove it. Yep. How do we know for sure? How can we prove that those 2 substances What 3 things did we do? What else? We need 2 more things.
Is over there by, I believe it's on Joanne. Me too. Oh yeah, it's on the top shelf there by Joanne.
What looks the same? Dry mixtures mixed together. Explain that a little bit more, because I didn't understand what you meant. You have 3 things?
I trust you.
And another well. But what was left looked the same.
Sebastian, did you watch?
Oh, yeah.
So you say that we put them in a well. Okay, and we compared it when we added water to it.
Yes.
You let it dry out. So we let it dry out.
We listened to them. I don't know if you guys did it. Did you listen to some of the bubbles? Do you let them say you heard the bubbles?
Let's help each other out. Do you think you have 3 or are you stuck? So, Matthew, what's one thing? What's one thing we did?
We determined if it fizzed or not.
Okay, so what did we do to make it fizz?
Put water in it.
Okay, so one thing we did was add water and compare fizz. Did some of those substances fizz differently?
Yeah.
Okay, so we compared the fizz. What else did we do? Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it feels cold or not?
Yeah, here's something you guys missed that I'd like you to add.
What? I put that.
Good, if you didn't put it down. We felt for that coldness. A change in temperature indicates what? What? Very good, a chemical reaction. Okay, so we were looking for the same chemical reaction. What else did we do? Yes, ma'am?
We let it sit overnight and looked at it afterwards.
Okay, so evaporation. And we compared leftovers, right? What else did we do?
We put water in it.
No, what did we do to find out what the substance, what was in the substance?
After we put water in it, we watched it to see if they had the same, like, if it, at the end it got clear or if it got black.
Okay, so, will we say water, color, leftovers, after fizzing? Yeah? Okay. What else did we do? Yes, ma'am.
We compared like the dry mixtures.
Yeah. Okay, and that's probably the final thing. how about dry particles? You're talking about this, right? Because it's distracting me. Okay. If you don't have any of those things down, please add them. You can add them just as I have that. So you should have 5 things on your paper. If you don't have all of these things, pick up your pencil and write them down on your paper. Every single one of those should be on your paper. Okay? Okay. Go ahead and turn the page in your lab binder. The next page should be a focus question page. Is that right? Perfect. Read the first focus question. Good. We're going to do a 2-minute quick write. Hold up your pencils. Just to review, a quick write, you're going to write for the whole time. We're only going to go for 2 minutes. You're going to write everything you know about this question. No, just the one. The first question. We're only answering the first question. What is the periodic table of the elements? Got your pencil? Are we ready? Okay, ready, set, go. Go ahead and finish your last thought. I'm going to have you guys pick up your lab binders and move to this table. Oh, yeah. Check this out. Page 102 and 103. Okay, so just by glancing at your think question, we've got a few initial thoughts on what it is, but here you're looking at it. All right, so go ahead and open to this page, page 103. And I want you to find, I don't know, 5 things you notice and list them on the opposite page. You've got your lab binder open, so it's the back side of page number 6. List 5 things you notice about the periodic table of the elements. So this opposite page, you got list 5 things you notice about the periodic table of elements. And you can talk with your partners too if that helps you. 5. They're numbered good. This is a little bigger. All right. Once you have those top 5 things done, let's talk about what you notice. Some people are still working. Yes, Claire?
There's like numbers on top of them.
They're color coordinated and there's numbers on top of them. Great. Yes, sir?
Numbers go up to 118.
Numbers go up to 118. Is every single number represented? Are we missing any? Sebastian?
There's like 1 or 2. There's 2. I was going to tell.
Go ahead.
There are it's a list non-stable and stable gases.
Non-stable and stable gases. That sounds dangerous. Okay. What else did you notice, sir? Halides? There's only 1 halides? Isn't there 4? I think these. What's that one? It's not even labeled, is it? So you got the alkali metals, alkaline earths, metals, nonmetals, halides, noble gases, metalloids, lanthanides, and actinides. And then there's one pink element. What is up with that?
Yeah. Hydrogen has
It's not labeled. Isn't that weird? What else do you notice? Yes, ma'am.
like some colors have like even or odd numbers.
Certain colors have even or odd numbers.
Yeah, because like orange only has like odd numbers, but the blue and the next one has green has more.
You're right. Yeah, green has even.
That's green.
Then there's those metalloids. We got 5, 14, 32, 33, 51, 52, 84, 85. Check out what's up with these. This is a little different. I'll put the same one up, but look at these. Look where they fit. 56. Right, that's the pink one on your chart. Let me put that up. I'll move this one to the back of there. So we've got two of them up there. Okay, while I do this, would you please underneath what you noticed add element, that vocab word? So you made your list of 5. Underneath that on the same page, would you please write element?
You don't want that word in there, but vocabulary. Like on the back of the first one.
If you would like to keep them all together, you may. I'm having you put it here because all of a sudden we're in investigation too.
Where do we put it?
I would put it on the right underneath the 5 things you noticed. I would put it right underneath the 5 things you noticed. Where did you put the 5 things you noticed?
It's on this page. It's on like investigation to the page.
Yeah, it should be right here. Go ahead and put the vocab word here, element. I wonder where this is made. So I have a challenge for you if you want it. If you can memorize if you can memorize the names and their symbols and their numbers of all of this by the end of the year, there will be a prize. I haven't thought of the prize yet. By the end of the year. Not the end of the school year. Let's put it that way. I know what you're saying. Yeah. You caught me. All right. So if you want that extra challenge, it's not part of your grade. Okay. A prize will be awarded. But if you can memorize all of the names and their symbols.
What do you mean? No, it's like a pen.
It's not impossible. It's totally doable.
I've seen a little girl do it. It's like 5. Have you?
Yeah. I don't anymore. I used to.
You watched it?
I don't anymore.
I do not.
No, I was a sophomore in high school when I memorized all of them.
Wait, did your teacher give you a test?
No.
Miss Rod,
They just expected me to know them.
what are the symbols like?
Okay, yeah, let's take a look at the symbols. H is for hydrogen, right? 2 is He, that's helium. Notice it's not the same as H, right? Hydrogen and helium are 2 different elements. And it's across the way, right? Hey, look at me. If you notice, the numbers go like this way, across. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, skip a little bit, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why do you think they did that?
Because you want to fit more. You want to fit more in.
Be able to fit more in. Sure fits on the page nice, doesn't it? Except for the light green and the blue. I'm gonna get a picture of this.
Oh, it's supposed to
So this is page 102 and 103 in the textbook. Okay. All right. Do you notice any other weird symbols?
Oh, for iron, Fe.
Yeah, iron is Fe. My favorite joke is this. It's Fe equals iron and male, right?
What's that equal?
So if you have female, we're a male made out of iron, ladies. Saying women are tough.
Copper is Cu. That's funny.
Copper is Cu. Yeah, does that make sense? Wouldn't Co be Cu? I mean, wouldn't Co be copper? But it's not, it's Cu.
And Ag for silver.
Ag for silver. Au for gold. Pb for lead.
Hg for mercury.
Why do you think those are so weird?
Because others like that. Because others.
It's in a different language. Yep. Yeah, and so we'll kind of look at some of that. Would you please flip to notebook sheet number 7? These are the mystery mixture elements. So if you notice, what's the first column labeled as?
Chemical name.
No, the first column. What's the heading? Okay, and so you know the chemical name is the name chemists use for a substance which contains names of elements. So it's giving you a clue as to what's in there. Okay. What's the next column? Chemical formula. All right. So the chemical formula are symbols of elements and amounts in the substances. Okay. And then what's the third?
Elements.
Okay. This is where you should write the names of all the elements in the substance. You can work together or you can work individually. You have 10 minutes to complete this. You may work with a listening area.
Will this be
I don't think so. I think you'll have time to get it done in 10 minutes.
So what do you write down?
All right.
You have to write that.
So, what do you think are these elements right here?
I'll do like the word and then like.
Your brain said Jordan.
Will it be carbon?
And then we're gonna put 3 there because we have 3.
Wait, is that the NH2? That's cobalt.
Okay, so now
There's no
There you go. Carbon, calcium carbon, right? So you have calcium, you have carbon, and what's the other? Got it. So write those 3 elements down.
So right there, it says CO. That's it. So if it we have to find carbon. If they're capital letters or
What's the name? Calcium.
is so.
I'm gonna go for the ball.
Oh, that just means there's 3 O's. Okay, now we have
Run. Yeah.
For calcium chloride, is that it?
I
At the end? For the chemical formula, is that it? Oh,
found it.
Oh, it's not it.
And the O again is what?
Sodium. Okay, write that down.
Yeah, this time it has four.
Wait, where is that at?
Okay, now we find whatever element it is. We know what a CA is. What C is. Big C. Look, stuff like
No, not carbon.
calcium,
Oh, yeah. I didn't know that.
Okay. You want to know what elements are found in this substance. So this substance is called calcium carbonate, right? And so, do you see any elements that have these same symbols? Hey, look, this is calcium. Calcium. So you know calcium is one element that's in there. Write that down. And what did you say was over there? It is a lowercase o. Do you see any uppercase C's or O's in here?
Oh my god.
yes, you know that's chlorine.
Yeah, so those two are in there too. Check it out, calcium, carbon, 8. But the O is in there. So write down carbon and write down oxygen.
Okay, and
And what's O?
This is a combination of these elements. So like our chemical formula tells us the symbols of the elements and the amounts in the substances. So how about sodium carbonate?
Oh, and look at the one.
L.
So you have to write down the word calcium,
It's a C with a lowercase
carbon,
L.
and oxygen.
Hey, if you look at sodium or calcium chloride, where's the other? Sodium chloride. That chloride, what does that sound like?
Calcium.
Chlorine. It sounds like chlorine. Is there a substance that's chlorine?
Yeah.
And what's the chemical symbol for it? It's not an I. It is Cl. Big C, little l. It's just a line here, so the text doesn't, the font doesn't really help you out there. But just to point that out, it's uppercase C, lowercase l.
Okay, Haley, let's do the other page. Remember there was this one.
Keep going.
We did this yesterday.
So what about
Okay, so here's the question.
There you go.
So right there is calcium, so you write calcium because that's C. And then there's a capital C and a capital R. And the C is the sodium. So you write down calcium,
Okay, so that you have them for your test whenever we have that. That's a ways away. We're just getting started.
Right, yeah, it is big C little l. And look, calcium chloride, Cl. Did you find that on the screen?
You know that one song?
Done? Okay.
So for sodium, I just right there, number for 11.
When I think of oxygen, I think of that oxygen.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Because then it does the bubble.
Go ahead and fill this one out too.
When you're at hydrogen.
One below it has sodium in it as well.
H stands for hydrogen.
Alright. Oh, and then you know what C and O are. You got
So
it.
then there's another C and an O.
Yeah.
And then you write carbon, oxygen.
And then sodium bicarbonate just has one extra element in it other than sodium carbonate.
Sodium bicarbonate, I found the BI, which is
No, we're not looking at this. We're looking at this. NaHCO. Yeah, so keep going here. Carbon. And then the O is 3 letters? No. All 3.
is where you're gonna want to put your
None.
you know what I said.
Here's H, hydrogen.
Sorbic acid.
Yeah, because we want to make sure you get this down.
Alright, I got 1, 2, 3, 4,
I'm done.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wait, is not done.
Almost done.
It's N.
Alright. Yeah, but it also has another element. It's calcium chloride. Well, you already wrote C. It's calcium.
Hey, let's get this one done. The minutes are just over.
Yes.
No, joke.
So that should.
You go to the no.
Well,
Hey,
yeah.
put my scissors down. You know what? I am going to assign this as out of class practice if you're not done. The periodic table of elements, you can either come look at these books, you can come into the classroom, or you can find an online periodic table of elements to help you with this. And there is a periodic table in your lab binder. What page number?
10.
And page number 10. So you have everything you need to finish this assignment.
Is there only one page?
Yes, there's only one page of this.
Oh, I see it.
And that can also help you study for your super challenge. That's gonna see.
I'm gonna listen to this
What's that? Then work up your calculus. If you're not done, I want you to continue working. Yes.
I'm totally there. Mrs. Rush, did you want us to put the chemicals away there?
Yeah.
We want them back in the cupboard or
Yeah.
are we done?
I'm gonna put them back in the cupboard.
Oh,